Welcome back, Herr Doctor. How was Spock?
Spock was cool, wasn't it, Minnie? Yeah.
Dr. Evil, while you were in Spectre, I created a way for us to make I created a way for us to make huge and still maintain the ethics and the business practices. I have turned us into wood.
Really?
We've been able to sign such stars as George Clooney,
Ooh. Ooh.
Robert Julia,
Hey.
and Leo.
Yeah. Ooh.
And the best part of the whole scheme is we all get our own assistants.
Hi, I'm
Julia Roberts.
I'm really excited to be PA. Very impressive, number 2. But I finally have the perfect plan. In the 70s, there lived a Dutch band by the name of Van. He loved genitalia. He invented a cold tractor. Powerful enough to pull a meteor to Earth. The meteor was called My 2. It's made of sauce. It's okay. Well, that's okay. I guess Minnie won't get any. You want Dan, Minnie? Use your words like a big. He's okay. Here's the chocolate. It's from the 70s. That's where Daddy's from. Yeah. Check out my tits. Check out Minnie. He's mental. Minnie loves chocolate. Scotty down. Minnie loves Scotty.
Can we stop at the supermarket? I want a Granny Smith apple.